508, number 1, runway 01. Number 101, 508. Uniform Kilo Jet, right off to the left a bit, you're approaching the...
I'll turn that down. Hello, my name is William Jans. Today I'm on a rooftop in Abbotsford, and this is one of those interesting places I get to fly a drone. Today's is more difficult because the airport is right there, so I'm definitely have to deal with air traffic control to get everything coordinated. Of course I am licensed to do this. I've gone through all the tests, all the permitting. It is a huge amount of work, and for anybody who says, oh wow, flying drones must be fun, I don't find it fun, I find it intense. If you're doing it right, there's so many safety variables, it does become a fair bit to contend with, prepare for, huge amount of emails, but I love the work, and I've been having some really good fortune of doing some very interesting projects of late. I've even done recently some shooting over Broad Street in downtown Vancouver. Flying between buildings, a little nerve-wracking with the winds, but I got some great stuff. And today, this is my office. Yes, I'm fully permitted. Everybody that needs to know knows, and there's probably about 20 people in the email thread. For today, I'm photographing this building for the owners in Toronto, trying to make it look pretty, and it is pretty, but I'm trying to get the lighting on it right, and that's been a bit of a challenge. I just have to watch out for interference from the government building across the way, which has satellites on it, and that did hiccup me a little bit. This is the exciting world of flying drones. Sometimes I think hanging out of helicopters is easier. I love this kind of work. I think, as I've been saying this, I'll have scrolled through a few different things that I've been doing over the last while. Hopefully you find them interesting. And hey, if I can be of service to you, please give me a call. I'm more than happy to jump through all those annoying hoops to make it work, keep it safe, and get great and amazing images or video as you need. Thanks.